Imagine stepping out with a halo of sweet vanilla or honey-infused fragrance wafting from your locks. Let's make it happen. For a vanilla hair perfume, you'll need half a cup of distilled water, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of vegetable glycerin, and 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix them all in a spray bottle, shake well, and spritz onto your hair. Now for a honey-infused hair perfume, gather half a cup of distilled water, 2 tablespoons of raw honey, a tablespoon of vodka or witch hazel, and 5 to 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Warm the water and honey until they blend, let it cool, then add the rest. Pour into a spray bottle, shake, and spray onto your hair. Voila! Your hair now carries a sweet, irresistible scent. Remember, a little goes a long way. Enjoy the compliments. Before we move on to our next exciting DIY beauty secret, we have a small request. If you love these DIY beauty tips and want to continue exploring and experimenting with us, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right below. By subscribing, you become part of our beauty community where we share unique, creative, and budget-friendly beauty secrets. And of course, you'll be the first to know when we upload new content. So go ahead, click on subscribe, and let's continue this beautiful journey together.